Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating HSL line 625, which runs from the Tikkurila railway station to Rekolanmäki. So strongly in Vantaa, the shittiest city in Finland. Once the browser starts responding again, I will start by creating the line. Okay, it crashed completely. Well, let's see if I can restore it. Oh fuck. So here we are. We will start by creating a line. Nope, not 4 euros, 3.5 or well, euros, dollars, whatever. So we start from the Tikkurila Ammattikeskus and then we stop at Vantaan Opistotalo and then at Suopursuntie and Ailakitie and Talkotie. But then we will stop at the Hiekkaharju station. Let's try to find that stop. Next, I will just have to use the map a bit. So the Hiekkaharju station stop is... Well, seems to be surprisingly difficult to find the stop actually. Oh yes, there it is. So let's build the stop in here. Right? Right. And then let's do the usual tricks to it, deleting the station and merging it with the Hiekkaharju railway station. Of course, the stop is called Hiekkaharjun asema, but I find this an easier way to deal with things. And then let's connect with the existing roads somewhere over the rainbow. No, just kidding. Somewhere over here. Like this, and then let's move these signals a bit in order to maximize the road that the buses will travel. There we are, and let's open a beer, shall we? It's Friday night after all. So, the following stop after the Hiekkaharju station is, of course, Tarhurin puisto, Trädgårdsmästarparken. That is quite a name for a stop, but nevertheless. There it is. Oops. And there we go. Oops. Oops. And there we go. After Tarhurin puisto, we're gonna stop at Tarhurin tie, Trädgårdsmästarvägen, here we go. After Tarhurin tie, we're gonna stop at Raitatie, Seliväin. Seliväin? Really? What does that even mean? But Raitatie, Seliväin it is. Sorry about that. There we go. Then after a right at the end, we are going to stop, stop at Koivukylän väylä. And in order to do that, we're gonna need to first make a turn, then make a bridge. Okay, come on. And then go back to the ordinary ground level. There we go. Sorry about that. Come on. So let's build the blueprint so far, and then let's see where I was with the line. Yep, I was there. And quite rightly so too. So we stop at Koivukylän väylä. Kytökuja. Havukallion katu. The Koivukylä station. Koivukylän puistotie. Peijaksen tie. Sairaalan katu. And then we stop at the Peijas. But we won't stop there, ladies and gentlemen. Because the following stop is called, well, let's add some signals here. Because the following stop here is called Kirurgi. Sorry about that. Kirurgen. It's gonna be over here. And then I will probably need to connect this manually like that. There we go. And another potential traffic issue point has been established. After a Kirurgi, we will stop at Hansinkatu 4, Hansgatan 4, or Hansinkatu 4. Oops. And after the Hansingatu forest stop, we will then stop at Hansingatu. Hansgatan. There we go. Okay, the keyboard has stuck again. Maybe that empty can is in the way. Nope, that didn't do it. Well, anyway, let's then try to do it with by using the keyboard as a little as possible. And there we go. The final stop on this line is called Kirkkomaan kuja, Kyrkkumarksgrendin, and it's all the way here in the end. Obviously, there is a graveyard over here. Then we will create a loop to the end of this road. We will steal some land from the park, hope the locals won't mind, and then we will just build the roads. Then we'll go back to the lines and create the final section of this line. And go back. It's a fairly short line in total. Let's see how many buses we will need to operate it, because it's only 16 kilometers. And that's not very much, is it? There we go. So, the line will run, let me see, Thursday, Friday. That's around 30 minutes. So 30 minutes it shall be. I think I can go with 3 bosses. Thank you. I'm good with 2 bosses. Excellent. So, roads have been built, a line has been created, buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. There will be a new video tomorrow. So until then, bye.